The angle of attack and the angle of incidence are two important parameters related to the orientation and performance of an aircraft's wings. While they are related, they have distinct meanings and functions. Angle of attack. The angle of attack, AOA, refers to the angle between the oncoming airflow and the chord line of the wing. The chord line is an imaginary line that runs from the wing's leading edge to its trailing edge. The angle of attack determines how the wing interacts with the airflow and affects the lift and drag forces generated. The angle of attack is adjustable and can be increased or decreased by raising or lowering the aircraft's nose. Increasing the angle of attack increases the lift generated by the wing but also increases drag. At too high of an angle of attack, the wing can reach a critical point called the stall angle, where the airflow over the wing becomes turbulent, causing a significant reduction in lift and potential loss of control. Controlling and maintaining an appropriate angle of attack is crucial for safe and efficient flight. Angle of incidence. The angle of incidence refers to the fixed angle formed between the chord line of the wing and the aircraft's longitudinal axis, the line running from the nose to the tail. It is determined during the design and construction of the aircraft and remains constant. The angle of incidence is a fixed geometric parameter that affects the aircraft's inherent stability and flight characteristics. It is set based on factors such as the desired flight characteristics, load distribution, and overall aerodynamic design of the aircraft. The angle of incidence is typically positive, meaning that the wing is slightly inclined upwards relative to the longitudinal axis of the aircraft. By setting a specific angle of incidence, the designer can optimize the aircraft's stability, control, and lift distribution during normal flight conditions. It helps achieve the desired balance between lift and drag and contributes to the aircraft's overall performance. In summary, the angle of attack is the angle between the chord line of the wing and the oncoming airflow, while the angle of incidence is the fixed angle between the chord line of the wing and the aircraft's longitudinal axis. The angle of attack is adjustable and affects the lift and drag forces during flight, while the angle of incidence is a fixed parameter that influences the aircraft's stability and flight characteristics.